Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to save Instagram stories to gallery, and now let's dive right in. Now to save your Instagram stories to phone gallery, first open up your Instagram app, and from over here guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon. Tap on it, and over here on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, tap on the three lined icons, and over here scroll down until you can find archiving and downloading. Over here tap on it, and over here guys you can see the final option, or the option at the last one, where it says save story to gallery, and it also says automatically save your story to your phone's gallery. Tap that toggle icon on and it will be turned to blue if it's on, and the moment you turn on the toggle icon for save story to gallery, all of your stories which you post on Instagram will also be available on your gallery. That being said guys, this is how to save Instagram stories to your gallery, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.